a check engine light recently. And it's the O2 sensor coming out, or going out. So I gotta change that. But I think it's because I have that crack. I gotta be careful because there's a lot of cops around here. It's early in the morning too. 6:50. I'm going to work. I just wanted to do a POV for you guys. Let's see how it sounds here. I've been working a lot recently. That's why I haven't been really posting or anything like that. I don't have time to put the wrap, but as soon as I do, you know, I'll put it on. But as you guys can tell on Instagram or something, if you guys follow me on Instagram, my bumper did fall off when I was going to Hard Summer. So it's completely destroyed. It's broken from the middle of the lower, like, let's say lip. So that's why hold off on it until I get a new one. I gotta buy a couple other things, which is like the little duckbill that I'm gonna get and the diffuser, so I can wrap everything at once. Or I mean, I can wrap the car fully now. And then my wheels, I came to a conclusion that we are gonna go ahead and redo the wheels ourselves. My girlfriend does work at a wheel place, so she knows what we need to do, and it's pretty easy, I guess. We're gonna go ahead and redo them ourselves, so that's gonna be pretty easy. So we can finally get them on the car, because I've been running these Genesis stocks for a cool minute. I sold mine, and then I sold the reps that I had, which were GNCs. I'm tired of these heavy shits. I mean, not that it really matters, right? But they just look plain. I mean, stocks over everything. It looks sick when you dunk a car on stocks. But these are a little too big. They start hitting like the frame and stuff. No, well, not the frame, but like the fenders. So if I can get like some 17s, that'd be fire. I'm also gonna go ahead and explain my exhaust setup, because I think a lot of people are still continuing to ask. I mean, it's fine if you guys hit me up on Instagram and ask me. I'll more likely, you know, obviously answer. I don't care, but my exhaust setup is, I do have the secondary cats removed. I also have the muffler removed and the resonator delete. And that's it. And it sounds the way it does, but that's because I have it tuned. When I didn't have it tuned, I used to have a video on my Instagram to show you how it sounded before. But now I don't. I think I deleted it, but if I have it, I will go ahead and insert it in this video and show you guys the difference between actually having the tune and not having it, and how it sounds when you don't have it. I actually came down this bridge early in the morning too, because I was going to work. The car's been lagging a little bit. I do have a check engine light on now. That's the O2 sensor going out. I also have the NOx sensor going out as well, but that was actually coming before I even got the tune. So I'm gonna go ahead and fix that. This car's bouncing. But yeah. Hopefully, man, hopefully I'm able to do this whole wrap thing soon. Even if I gotta run the car in like pieces, which I don't really to do, because then I kind of get scared. But if I gotta do it, like do a couple of pieces, like let's say I do the hood and the fenders on Saturday and Sunday, because I'm pretty sure it's gonna take a while, and then go to work, you know, throughout the week, and then the weekend work on it again, then I'll go ahead and do that if I have to, because I doubt we're gonna be able to get it done in a timely manner. Because you know, obviously it takes a while, and I haven't wrapped the car. I don't really know how it goes. I honestly do recommend getting the tune. It hasn't done me bad at all. I've been having the tune for almost a year now, and it hasn't done me any dirty. I think I've had it for more than a year now, and it's been good. As long as you honestly do the maintenance when you're supposed to and take care of the car, I think you guys should be good. If you guys are planning to tune an IS250 or IS300 or 350, I think you guys should be good. I know it is a lot of money. Honestly, I think it would be a waste of money, but if you do just like the pops and bangs, then I mean, fuck it, might as well get it. So yeah, I think y'all should be good, because I do get a lot of comments, or some comments, that you know, the motor has blown, transmissions, they go through transmissions with this and stuff like that. But if you don't take care of your car, it might be that, or you just might be unlucky and, you know, it'll blow the car up. But yeah, so the next video that we drop, I hope and I swear it is going to be us wrapping the car before summer ends. And then we are going to go ahead and get those wheels redone. I promise I'm going to show them in the next video, just so you guys know what kind of wheels they are. And yeah, so the car is going to have like a whole completely change, and I'm excited for it. And so I'll see you guys soon, or whenever I do, we'll start doing the whole process. So I'll see you guys when I record the next video. Peace out.